In this video, I'm sharing a beautiful buttercream cake design, so stay tuned. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. These cakes begin with my incredibly luscious carrot cake made with pineapple, coconut, nuts, and pureed carrots. This is lemon cream cheese filling. The ring of buttercream contains the filling and acts as a glue to keep the layers together. This is the crumb coat, which keeps the crumbs contained. This makes applying the final coat so much easier and cleaner. The final coat goes on with an icing tip. The blue is made using sky blue and a touch of yellow. If you would like to learn more about making, using, and applying buttercream, join me at Cakes with Lorelei Cake School. I'll put the link for you below in the description box. This is chocolate ganache and a number 2 tip. A mound of buttercream helps to give height and creates a backdrop of green in this particular cake. I'll put the links to the individual buttercream flower tutorials at the end cards and in the description box below. Daffodils are made with a number 124 for large flowers like these. You can use 104s for smaller ones. The tulips are made with a 123 curved petal, and the dogwoods are made with a 104 petal. Swiss dots give this cake a vintage feel. You can make the Swiss dots with a parchment triangle with a small opening, like I did here, or you can use a number 1 or 2 Wilton tip. Here's the tulip, and I will leave a link for you below the video to a very detailed tutorial on how to make these. And here's another peek at the dogwood, a little bit different angle. Maybe you can see them a little better here. And I also put some leaves around the flowers so you can see that here. The ruffles at the bottom of the cake are created with a 104 petal tip and are edged with a star. So I think this is a 15, it's a small star tip. A shortbread bird cookie coated in royal icing tops off this cake design. Use buttercream to carefully glue it into place. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share with your friends. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!